A lot of folks, including myself, wonder if the Rev X products really work as advertised. Well, I just decided to shoot the video straight and see what you think. I own a 2003 Ford F550 with the 6.0 liter sitting at 171,000 miles. This is a cold start with no Rev X. I'm going to cold start this engine after it sat for about 2 weeks, and this is before the Rev X. So I want you to know I've got the full bottles here, the seals haven't been broken. I have the high performance diesel additive and I have the actual oil additive here in the bottle. It's been about 1,000 miles since I added the Rev X, and just for good measure, I let this truck sit for 3 days straight, no running. It's also cold outside. I know I'm wearing a t-shirt, but it's actually pretty chilly out here this morning. I want to say it's in the 50s, which is not super cold, but anyway. Here it is. I haven't checked it yet, so I don't know what's going to happen. But here it is, 1,000 miles, Rev X additive in the fuel, Rev X additive in the oil, and you remember how it sounded before. Let me know what you thought. I can tell you what I have observed as the driver of this truck, and I drive it almost every day. It seems to me that it starts a lot faster, it warms up a lot quicker, or it seems to build up the power that it needs a lot faster. Used to, I'd have to drive it for 2 or 3 miles before I could actually get the turbo to spool at a decent rate. Now the turbo spools up when I take off. I've got a lot more horsepower. It cruises a lot smoother. I don't have to worry about it sitting there loping while it's cold. And it seems to overall perform better as a truck. Maybe it's in my head, maybe it's real, but I'm going to give Rev X a thumb up. Actually 2 thumbs up, but I'm holding the phone. 2 thumbs up. It's a phenomenal product, and I will continue to use it in my oil changes from now on. So anyway, hit like if you like this video, subscribe if you like what I'm doing here on this channel, and put your thoughts in there. What do you think about Rev X? Do you have a product you think is better? What should I try? For one, I'm a believer in Rev X. I have a 6.0, and I'm very happy with it. So anyway, tell me what you think, and thanks for watching.